All right. Peace be with you. The dragons are here and they want to have a little chat. The dragons are wanting to know how we're going to get humanity to go into a divine place of the feminine. When we have such toxic masculinity that's happening right now. I guess it's what you guys want. You want this toxic male energy. It's been here for a long time. The new would be coming in. It comes from a place of love, creation, creating all kinds of new things, artwork and jewelry, but this other energy that it's dying off, it's pretty loud right now, but it could throw you guys in another 100 years of the wrong direction. We're here to change this whole thing. Mother Earth might end up having to do what we had been trying to prevent all this time. All this destruction. And we have prevented it quite a few times. But this is what happens when you have technology that has messed with a lot of things here. What power do we want to hold? Do we want to continue down the road of destruction? Or are we going to step up in our power here and go into a place of creation? The divine feminine is creation, created your bodies. Everybody's bodies on this planet came through the womb. And yet here we are trying to control the womb. So, we, the dragons, are asking you, can you look in the mirror of yourself and take a step and find out what's the mystic aspect of yourself? What do you really want to create? Can you meditate for 10 minutes a day? Get quiet, take a note, ask the dragons, come within, ask them, what's the ancient knowledge that was supposed to be coming here to bring in some new energies? Lisa Marie is here. She's got some beautiful classes that aren't expensive, not going to do huge upsells and everything else that so many people do. All right, guys, you have a blessed rest of your day. Bye.